Hi Akasvani Aizawl ani Chanchinthar achiar tu civil ruata India ram hundang terualin tukin Khan Vijay Diwas ne nani pualin War Memorial Treasury Square larsab Dr. Haribabu Kambampati hovin sipai huai sen ram tananun lan tu terhiat ring na leza na lan tirnan pangpar da ani Vijay Diwas pual hian larsab Dr. Haribabu Kambampati chuan mar huain sipai huai sen mar tarteza na lan tirnan War Memorial pangpar da in zana chibayabuka Chief Minister Pulal Duomale mi poimo dangten Governor Nungzui hian sipai huai sen terhiat ring na leza na lan tirnan pangpar anda bok ani Sarkar civil le sipai lam ho tu te atangin Home Minister Puke Sab danga MLA Lieutenant Colonel Clement Lalming thanga Padmasri Havildar Lalbiak thanga le sarkar mi poimo dangten martar za nalan tirin War Memorial hian pangpar anda bokani December ni som paruk sang khajak wasom sari pakhat Khan Pakistan sipai ho tu Lieutenant General AAK Niazi le ahote sipai sing kuwa sang thum ta chuan Eastern Army Commander Lieutenant General Jagjit Singh Aurora akai hruai India sipai le mukti bihini tangrualte laka antlom thu anpuanga he nani hi kumtin man anita ani Christmas lo thleng tur pualin Mizoram larsab Dr. Haribabu Kambampati le anupui Lady Governor Jayashree Kambampati ta chuan nimin pathian nizan Khan Mizoram Presbyterian Kouran thutmun mission veng Kouran in khom anchim in khom zo hian Kouran committee ta chuan governor hi lompuina thilpek an hlanani Christmas lo thleng tur pual hian governor hian pre-Christmas celebration program chu English Congregation Church mission venga lo man pui toa Aizawl Bishop Most Reverend Stephen Routluanga pot lo indu sakna ahlan baka Ras Bhavana Christmas Carol hunlim omtak Aizawl West 1 area Mahisi Sangiti Mizoram Presbyterian Church tenen anlo mangho to bok ani Chief Minister Pulal Duoman Nimin Khan Aizawl veng pasaria mihar sathan chuate Christmas thilpek ahlan Chief Minister Christmas thilpek hlan te hi vobik le meithai dam lote Midday Narf thalo le harsana sang neite ania thilpek ansem chua zongjong hi cheng nuai khatle sanga ani Chief Minister Christmas thilpek hi chungko khata atlembera sumfai cheng sing khatlan vek ania atambera cheng sing ni hlan tepo anom bok ani Chanchinthar hi Akasvani Aizawl atanga puan ani AIR News Aizawl YouTube channel All India Radio News Aizawl Facebook page le newsonair.gov.in ate Chanchinthar hi ngai thlak le chhiar theyada ani zanin daruk le achan ve Chanchinthar hi puan le ani ang Mizoram avoi khanna ata naktuk December ni som pasari atanga karle tho tani December ni som ni pathum inkara tlaizong le korpui tran hapta chu chongtlai khuwa man ani dona chongtlai khuwa hian kumsang ni som paruka tang khan tlaizong park bul lo tan to in kumin hian avoi khanna ni turin tlaizong hapta hi anbua saya naktu khian hapta honna hun bua sai tura ruwa manni in he tlaizong hapta hian tlaizong kunga do ngei leika pui photo booth engamozat omdona tlo tu tele thalak lama tuimi tetan aman hla le turangai ani he baka hian adventure lam tuimi tetan Mizo history amun poimo taklua tu khopui tran tlangdung fitsanga zaruk chuanga sang kilometer nga do na thuya trekking route mu mal taksiam ania kham cheng che tak tak le kham bang trial moi tak taka te trekking tin achet la thei don ani
naktu ka changa nei tura ruwa manlei zong le khopui chan hapta chu chongtlai khwa mang turing inbua seina pe fel thokhat to ani a he hi Mizoram avoi khanna tur ni in December ni som hi pathum thleng le tura ruwa manani chongtlai khwa hian khwa jingmi te tan mun nuam tak tak siam ani a inti hlimna carnivals le store sang siam ni in mun nuam tak tak buat sei ani bo chongtlai hi kumsang hi som hi pali khan Mizo historical village of Walaun to in Kozol district hunga omani a Mizo historical village ani ang Mizo pipu ti sulnu le mun hui tam tak mutura omani sang pui Akashvani news Kozol
Voin Khan Razia Sabha India dan puin kum somsari panga atlin puala abik taka soi ho na tran ania he soi ho na hun hi ro rail lai tangin Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman bul atana India dan pui hum halle duang soi theina freedom of expression chungchanga thuin chai oma ep tulam aron khak zui ani
Mirza Hamidullah Beg as the Chief Justice. It is really sad that the test that I'm putting each one of these amendments whether they was in line with the constitutional spirit, whether it was the process was followed, whether the large economic good was considered or social good was considered as an objective. None of them meet that. OBC Commission is something which I want to in contrast mention. How our intent, Prime Minister Modi was clear. The OBC Commission will have to be set up.
Nirmala Sitharaman chuan Congress zok hi an hun laya an ma ni chung kwale rorel tu te hum him na tura India dan pui herdang lam tum tu zok an nia mi pui rorel na ti chak ero chu an lam chia thungani ati thu soi tu rang rang zinga eptu leader Malik Arjun Kharge chuan sarkar chu India dan pui kher korumeka apu boka soi ho na hi chun zom mek ani chu ti jong chu Chanchinthar kan puan thei chu ani